Welcome to HeART Workshop 4, providing artists with entrepreneurial competences so that they can make a business from their art. In this video, we will focus on how you can ensure sustainable earnings. Let's get started. Are you a young artist looking to ensure sustainable earnings? Making a living as an artist can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to build a financially stable career. Here are some tips to help you ensure sustainable earnings as a young artist. First, treat your art as a business. Create a solid business plan that includes your mission statement, marketing strategy, revenue projections, and financial plan. This will help you stay focused and on track as you navigate the art world. Selling your art is one way to ensure sustainable earnings. Consider setting up an online shop, selling at markets or fairs, or partnering with local businesses to sell your work. Make sure your prices are fair and consistent, and always prioritize customer service. Teaching art classes or workshops is another way to earn a sustainable income. Consider offering classes at local community centers or partnering with businesses to offer private classes. Make sure to market your classes effectively and price them appropriately. Taking on commissions can also provide a steady stream of income. Reach out to potential clients and showcase your portfolio to demonstrate your skills and expertise. Make sure to establish clear contracts and timelines to ensure a smooth working relationship. Applying for grants and other funding opportunities can also help young artists sustain their careers. Research local and national grants, residencies, and fellowships that align with your artistic goals and apply consistently. Collaborating with other artists can lead to new opportunities and income streams. Consider partnering with other artists to create joint exhibitions, merchandise, or performances. Make sure to establish clear expectations and terms for your collaborations. Ensuring sustainable earnings as a young artist takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can build a financially stable career doing what you love. Stay focused, stay creative, and remember to always prioritize your art and your business. Well done! Now you are aware of ensuring sustainable earnings. For more information on HeART and how you can make a business from your art, why not check out the HeART project workshops?